So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic via recovery mode. Now, the main reason why you might want to be doing this is mainly if you've forgotten your password. So maybe you want to access the watch, but you can't because you've forgotten the password or PIN. Because if you did have the password, all you have to do is unlock, and then you can go and do a normal factory reset. So that will be settings, and then under settings go to general, and then under general go to reset, and then confirm by tapping on reset. And that's going to be a factory reset, which is going to be way better than trying to hard reset via recovery mode. Now, for people who have forgotten their passcode, you have to reset via recovery mode. And when you're setting up the watch again to regain access to the watch, you're gonna have to provide the Google account that was on the watch before. Okay, so let's do this together. Let's go to recovery mode and then learn how to wipe the data, also known as a hard factory reset. And then we're going to set up the watch afresh and regain access into the watch. Okay, so what you need to do first is go and press and hold these two buttons, the lower button and the upper button, and you want to press and hold these two buttons together until the watch goes off and then the Samsung logo appears. And as soon as it appears, you want to spam the home button until it goes into some kind of menu. So let's do this. Okay, so lower and upper button, press and hold. 1, 2, go. There you go, press and hold. Just ignore what you see on the screen. Just keep holding. Keep holding. Screen goes dark. Let's wait for that Samsung logo. There you go, release and spam the home button. Now, when you spam the home button, you're gonna see this menu. So this is a menu you can scroll on, okay? And you just need to use this button to scroll, okay? Don't try to use this one, just scroll with this one. And when you get to the end of the list, it's gonna start from the top again. So what you're looking for here is recovery, okay? So let's go and highlight recovery. There you go. So recovery is highlighted in blue. So to select it, now you need to long press on that button. So long press, and then now your watch will boot into recovery mode. So with the watch now in recovery mode, you'll notice now you need to use this back button to scroll. Okay, so this is the one that you use to scroll, and there are plenty of options here. You have this run graphics test, you have run local test, all these options here. So what you're looking for here is the wipe data / factory reset. Okay, so once that is highlighted in blue, then you select it using the home button. So just press that. It's going to ask you if you're sure. So you want to scroll down again to confirm you want to factory data reset, and then confirm again, or rather select that by using the home button, and that's going to factory reset your watch. Okay, now give it some time. It's currently wiping data, as you can see at the bottom. Once it's done, it's going to give you back the same menu, and all you have to do now is make sure reboot system now is highlighted. And once again, you can scroll with this if it's not highlighted. So once reboot system now is highlighted, select it using this button, and that should reboot the watch, and it's going to take you back to the original setup screen where you can set up your watch afresh. Now remember, you'll still need the Google account that was on the watch before you did the hard reset. Okay, if you want to regain access to your watch, you're going to have to provide that Google account. So once the watch restarts, you need your watch, or rather your phone, close by, because you're going to start the whole setup process again. Okay, now select your language. Now keep in mind that I've just connected it to a charger just because I was running low on battery, and connecting the charger is not part of this process. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to choose my language, and then of course it's going to make me choose my region again, and then restart the watch again. And once it restarts, we're going to start the whole setup process again. Okay, now just keep the charger connected. So if the two codes match, tap on confirm. And then let's continue with the setup process. So agree to that and continue. Then it's getting ready to connect. Then it's going to prompt you to unlock your watch. Now remember, the reason why we did a hard reset is because we could not figure out the pin or pattern. Okay. Now, if you've remembered the pin or pattern, you can enter it straight away. But remember, that's what we forgot. So we're going to use a Google account to unlock the watch. Okay. So let's tap on Google account and then choose my Google account. If it's your child's watch, then you can select that. But if it's your watch, select my Google account. And then you're going to need to verify with the Google account here. So I'll tap on that and then verify that it's me. And that's going to unlock the watch. There you go. So it says sign into your Google account. Once the watch is unlocked, confirm again now that you want to sign in once again. And then you have the terms of service. Tap on I agree. And then now you can continue with the normal setup process, just the usual setup process. The most important part was unlocking the watch because we did a factory reset via recovery mode. Okay. So I'm just going to rush through these next steps. Just skip everything. Now, at this point where it prompts you to restore a backup, do not restore the backup because the backup includes a security code which we forgot, the pin or pattern that we forgot. So you want to select setup as new watch. And then now you can continue with everything else. So just hit next, 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 next until you're here and your watch should be set. And then now you'll notice on the watch, you'll not have, it's not going to ask for a password. So let's just allow it to finish starting. So it's done. And let's have a look now. So I'm going to skip the tour. Now, as you can see, there's no password required to open the settings or to go into the app screen of your watch. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.